Today's topic is called addition with Touchspot. Okay, addition means plus. Okay, something plus equals something. Alright, to get the answer. Now, alright, do you still remember the Touchspots? Okay, some people still cannot remember the Touchspot, so I have to recap it. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Touchspot for 1 is this one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, this is the called Touchspots. This one, Touchspots. Okay, these are called Touchspots. Now, we are going to have a sample of it. Let's start with 2 plus 1. Very simple, right? Okay, Touchspots always on the smaller number. If those children don't know what is smaller number, okay, so you have to recap the previous video. Okay, I have a topic which is smaller number and bigger number. Alright, so now, which is the smallest number? Is it 2 or 1? Yes, it's 1. So Touchspot on 1. So bigger number in your head. Always bigger number in your head. So will be 2 and 3. So what is after 2? It's 3. The answer is 3. Now if I have another number, 2 plus 4, for example. Okay, now which one is the smallest number? Smaller number. Is it 2 or 4? Is 2. So the answer is 2. So Touchspot on 2. So 1, 2. So bigger number in your head first. 4, and then 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, so this one is a very basic one. What if I have another number? If I have 10 plus 6, for example. Okay, so Touchspot on the smaller number. So which one is the smaller number? Smaller number is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. So this one, Touchspots. Okay, this addition is a very basic one. Okay, so this one you can start from the age of 2.5. Okay, 2.5 children can start this already if they know how to recognize numbers from 1 to 20. If they can do, okay. If they cannot do, then maybe you can start at the age of 3 or 4, okay, and so on. It's up to you. Okay, so like my son, at the age of 3, he started this Touchspots. Okay, so now he can do 2 digits, 3 digits already, and even 4 digits now. Okay, so my son now is already 4, so just turned to 4, so he can do 4 digits. 4 digits, that means like this. If I have a number like for example, 4, 1, 2, 0 plus 2, 3, 6, 8. Okay, so he can do this, So this one, he can do like that, and then he do with Touchspots. So he know which one is a smaller number, so he just do like that. So 4, 5, 6. And then which one is the Touchspot? So it's a 4. And then 6, 7, 8. And then 0 is nothing, so his answer is the 8. So he's doing this at the age of 4. Okay, so never mind. You can be slowly teach your children. Okay, then slowly from one number. Okay, from one number to double digits, triple digits, and then 4 digits. Okay, so likewise, like for example, if I have a number like this, so if it is 10 plus 6, for example. Okay, so for younger children, you have to draw like that. Okay, because younger children, they cannot visualize, so they have to draw like this. Even my son also have to draw like that, because he cannot visualize by using this method. Okay, so for younger children below 6, they have to draw like that. Okay, so for older children, okay, there's a method. Okay, for younger children below 6, they can do like this. So the answer is 16. If like for example for older children like above 6 years old, there's a method of it. Instead of drawing, wasting time, so here got 2 numbers, because this is a counting 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So instead of like drawing, wasting time, so put the dots, 2 dots here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will represent 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Okay, so will be 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Okay, some children, they can visualize, they just like that. Okay, instead of counting, putting dots. Some children, they're very smart, they're using visualize. Just use the brain to count. Okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Some children, smart children, they really can do like that. Okay, they visualize on you. Okay, now there's another method. Okay, for 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so you can do like this. This is a very basic one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a very basic one. For younger children, you can do like that. Okay, now for older children, this for older children, this is younger children below 6. Okay, for older children above 6 years and above, you can do like that. Okay, by using dots. There's 1 and this is 2. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and then this is 6. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, this is just I'm teaching you how to do it, but you don't have to write the numbers. Okay, you don't have to write the small numbers. Okay, I'm teaching you on it. Alright, so for older children, you can do like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, get it? Okay, teach you the 9 again, yeah? The 9, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? For older children, you can do like that. Okay? This is the very basic one. Okay, so now let's go back to where we start from. Okay? Now, this is a very basic one. Okay? So, if I have a number like 11 plus 8, or I have a number like 7 plus 9, Okay, so which one is the smaller number? Smaller number is on the 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the answer is 19. Some children, they are very smart. They just count in your head. Count in the head. No need to use fingers already because you have Touchspots. Touchspots no need fingers anymore because it's more than 10. Okay, so you don't have to use no need to use fingers anymore because you know the Touchspots already. So some children, they are very smart. They say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The answer is 16. Is this a fast way? By using fingers? Oh no, fingers. Sometimes they say, oh no, mommy, I have not enough fingers anymore because once I count until 10, then I cannot count anymore. You know? So some children, they cannot count because of short of fingers. They cannot even count anymore. Likewise, like Touchspots, you don't have to because you have the dots already. Okay, you have the dots. So you don't have to use your fingers anymore. So once you know the Touchspots, you don't need any fingers anymore. Try to train them counting numbers without fingers. Okay, because when they reach the advanced level, okay, advanced level, that means this is a very basic one. That means you have only double digit. Okay, what if you have a number like, for example, if I have a number like this, if I have 22 plus 2, oh no, for older children, they panic already. They don't know what to do already. Then they write it down like this. Okay, this is a horizontal way and this is the vertical way. They know how to write like that. But the thing is, I know Touchspot for 2. Right or not? I know Touchspot for 2, so 1, 2. But the thing is, I don't know how to count because I have short of fingers. I don't have 22 fingers. So that's the way why we need Touchspots. Okay, so we try to not to use fingers. Okay, when you know the Touchspots, please don't use fingers. Okay, once you know Touchspots, then you just count like that. See, 22, 23, 24. See, so simple. So 22, 23, 24. Is that so simple? Very simple. Okay, so don't need to use fingers anymore if you know Touchspots. If those children, they don't know Touchspots, then it's a different thing. If those who don't know Touchspots, for example, addition like that, without Touchspots, okay, without Touchspots, if I have like 12 plus 2 like that, if they don't know Touchspots, how many balls you need to draw? Are you going to draw 12 balls or 2 balls? Of course, you draw 2 balls. So draw 2 balls. So 12, 13, 14. Or you can do like that. Okay. That's another way. Okay. Alright. Instead of cancel by counting, you just write like that. Draw the circles like that. And then you draw like that. 1, 12, 13, 14. Okay, if they don't know Touchspots, do balls. Okay, like for example, I have plus 3. Okay, so how many balls I need to draw? For example, I have 4 plus 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. Always on a smaller number, so it's easier. Okay, so after 4 is what? 5, 6, 7. Okay, easy. Alright, so now this is addition. Okay, alright, now you already know addition, right? And now we go for subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction means minus, right? Minus means you take away. Alright, you take away. Alright, first thing you need to do, visualize first. Okay, Okay, some children, they don't know what is minus. Once they know plus, they don't know subtraction. What is subtraction? Are you sure? I don't understand what is subtraction. Subtraction means take away. I don't understand what is take away. Now, if they don't know, for example, I have 4 minus 1, for example. Okay, the first thing you need to draw for plus, it's totally different. You plus 1, you put a 1. Okay, but minus 1, you cannot put 1 here. It's wrong. Okay, it's totally different from plus. Okay, so this one, 4 plus 1, so 4, 5, so it's a 5. But for this minus, you cannot do like this. Okay, so now we are doing minus first. Okay, so minus, always use the bigger number. So will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So 4, I have 4 balls. Minus 1. So I want to give it to one friend. So 1 ball, so I cancel 1 ball. Okay? So I cancel 1 ball. So will be how many left? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3. Okay, it's totally different from minus and plus. Plus means you add it up. Instead of, you see, because you know why I don't want to write 4, I don't want to draw 4 balls. Why? Because it's wasting time. Okay? You see, for example, if in schools, alright, you're gonna draw 4 balls and then you draw 1. It's wasting time, right? And then some kids, right, they already know that this one is 4 balls. Okay? And they still have to count again. So start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of drawing 4 balls and wasting time, please don't tell them to draw 4 balls, because you already know this one is 4. So please don't draw 4 balls on top here. So it's wasting time. So just draw 1. So and tell them that for plus, always on the smaller number. Even subtraction also on the smaller number. Okay, but subtraction is totally different from this. Okay, because subtraction, you have bigger number you want to give away, so you have to draw 4 balls compared to this one. Okay, because it's addition, you have to add it. Alright, so for example, if I have a number like this, if I have 10 minus 2, okay, so you also have to draw 10 balls. Okay, you need to draw 10 balls to visualize and even understand, to let them understand. Okay, minus means I have to give away. Okay, I have to give it to 2 friends. Okay, so now I have 10 apples, then I'm gonna give 2 apples to my 2 friends. So now 2, so that will be cancel to 1, 2. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Let's have another one. If I have 9 minus 5, so I draw 5 balls or 9 balls? This is a minus, so I need to draw 9 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so after that, minus 5. So I have to give away 5 balls to my friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one for younger children to visualize, even for older children too. Okay, like 5, 6, and 7 years old too. Okay, it's because some children they still don't understand. Okay, so this is a very basic subtraction.